Are you on the move, going camping, or simply just in the office and don't have all the gear? Drip bags might be for you. First, let's grab a drip bag. You're going to need a cup or a mug and some boiling hot water. Go ahead and open up your drip bag and open up the little pouch. Grab your cup, kid cup, whatever you're using, and first check that the drip bag actually fits inside. So before you tear it, just place it inside. You might just have to squeeze down on the edges and it should stay just like this. Now that we know it stays, we're going to tear along the dotted line. So try to keep as close as you can to that. It should tear off pretty easily. Discard of that, and we should have a nice little pouch now. Now that we've teared off the top, let's go ahead and place it into our cup, pressing down on the sides so it stays just like that. Drip bag set, let's go ahead and grab our hot water. We're just gonna pour to start with just above the grounds, just to let it extract all of that flavor, maybe for about 10 to 15 seconds. So go ahead, pour, and you can just be pouring from a normal kettle as well. You don't need this fancy looking one. And we're just going to let that extract for about 10 to 15 seconds. Alrighty, and now let's go ahead and fill it up. For this drip bag, it's a 12-gram single serve, so you want about 200 to 250 mils of water. So as it fills up, just wait for it to extract all the way down, and then keep filling up as desired. The whole process should maybe take 2 to 3 minutes. So this has been extracting for around 2 to 3 minutes now, so we're just at our last little bit. And there you have it, a delicious coffee just in a couple minutes.